The two things I'm going to be watching very closely as we move forward is the breakouts we've seen recently in the dollar index and in the yield on the 10-year Treasury note. This could be very important because it could have an impact on many other different markets and several groups in the stock market. When I talk about key resistance levels, it's levels where a market or a stock or an index moves up to a specific level and keeps failing to break higher. In other words, the sellers come in at that level. Once it breaks above that level, it breaks out. It means the sellers have thrown in the towel, and it usually means that market or stock is going to move a lot higher. First, in the currency market, the DXY dollar index is broken above the key 94 level. In fact, it's done it in quite a significant way. That's going to be important because there's a very strong correlation between the dollar and the emerging markets. The emerging markets started rallying very strongly exactly when the dollar rolled over at the beginning of the year, and now that the dollar is starting to rally, we could see a pullback in those emerging markets. Now, the yield on the 10-year Treasury note broke above the 2.4% level. Again, it's not been quite as big a breakout as we've seen in the dollar, but it's still a significant move. This is very positive for the interest-sensitive stocks like the bank stocks and other financials. The reason why this is so important is that the stock market is moving higher, but it's moving in kind of a slow fashion. So the way to make money for the rest of this year is going to be in the right groups at the right time. The technology stocks should continue to be a good leadership group, but we might see some of the other groups shift as we've seen a nice rally in the bank stocks and in the energy stocks as well. For Trading Nation, I'm Matt Maley from Miller Tabak.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.